don't even know why I'm doing this. It's another video, but it's the same day. You know, it's half why I still got the same stuff on, because I'm about to go to another meet, man. You know what I'm saying? We about to go over here to SRT Life. SRT Life got a car show thing going on, so we gonna go to that. If it's your first time visit the channel, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, man, so when I drop a banger, you notified that the banger has been dropped. You feel me? Follow Go Get This Nation. You feel me? Follow your merch. Follow llgtrucking.com or LLG Transportation Consultants on IG for all your trucking needs, man. Ladies, will get you where you need to get to. You feel me? But we about to go over here and have fun with this meet, man. Look, today it's been a really good day to vlog, man. It's really not too cold outside. It's just right, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna see what SRT Life, man, got to do. You feel me? Can you hear me? You gotta. And you see, she still sound good, you know what I'm saying? Even though she hot and ready. You feel me? But I know FieroBoy, he going. I met up with Bloody Scat. I know he going because he's a part of SRT Life anyway. So we just gonna go over there, man, show love. You know, so have some fun. It's from 4 to 8. I might not stay the whole time, cause y'all do know, like I said before, my girl, she's still in the hospital or whatever. But I'm gonna stay down there as long as I can, get y'all some of this footage, man. You know, so some of the cars you probably already seen, some of them you haven't. When it comes to this car stuff, man, you actually you see the same cars multiple times, you know what I'm saying? You definitely see the same cars multiple times. But it's just about being around those people with that vibe, man. Like my boy Graves Road, man, like I met him a few times, man, and you know what I'm saying, we converse back and forth and stuff like that, man. Graves Road is really putting that work in, man. My boy Zay TRD, man, he is putting that work in. Zay, listen, Zay is literally bigger than his subscriber count. I'm telling you, he is, man. Zay drops a video every day, you feel me? I drop every other day, but Zay drop every day. Zay don't care if it's a 40-second video, that brother is dropping it on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna, you know what I'm saying, like he going places, you know what I'm saying? Like my boy FieroBoy, he drops frequently, you know what I'm saying? Nino on the go. Fly by G Money, you know what I'm saying? Pablo Savage, man, look, we all dropping videos, man. So follow those people, man. Like most of the people that I'm talking about, they are followers of me. So you can literally go to my YouTube and you can subscribe to them, man. Subscribe to everybody, man. I just said, you know what I'm saying? Like even hit me like Mozzie, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, they up there, real to real, they up there, you know what I'm saying? 50, 60, 70, 100K, 120K. But still, man, we all trying to eat when it all come down to it, you feel me? But once I get to the meet, man, I'll pick the camera back up and we gonna see what's popping, man. Yes, sir. So I'm finally here. It's quite a few cars. So I see Real to Real, I see Hell Gotti, I see Bloody Scat, you know what I'm saying? Y'all saw Bloody Scat earlier. So I'm gonna show his car again whenever I get up and start. Well, there's a few cars here. I think, is that Nino? I don't know if that Nino on the go. I don't think that Nino on the go. I don't think he's here. I'm gonna look like his rap, but that one kind of switched colors. I know his is a matte metallic brown, so pretty sure that ain't his. But it's a few people here, man. But I see Josh, I see FieroBoy over there, about to pull up. You know, he always late, you feel me? He always late, y'all. I'm not even gonna catch with you, he always late. But FieroBoy about to pull up right now. I see him pulling up behind. He's somewhere over here. But once a few more cars get here, man, I'll pick the camera back up and we gonna they out here pulling up though. Man. Hey man, this is what it's about, man. We downtown Dallas, you know what I'm saying? We downtown Dallas. We out here, you feel me? A lot of cars out here. Well, there's quite a few cars out here. I want to say this 728 Auto's car, but I don't know if he got his YouTube thing on his thing or not. I'm not sure, but you know what I'm saying? We out here. We out here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? But once some more cars get here, man, I'll pick it back up and we gonna get it popping. Y'all see FieroBoy, you know what I'm saying? His little Fiero right there, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? They out here. Okay, brother. I see you, brother. We hear you too, brother. You feel me? We hear you, brother. I see the ZL1 right here. That thing clean. That thing hard body. You know what I'm saying? Infinity right here. That thing hard body. Y'all see Hood Rich. Get money chase, man. Y'all follow him on Instagram, man. Get Money Chase, man. Got the gold mango thing with the camo on there. Yes, sir.
Girl, you better wash it with your hands.
You got a Hell Gotti thing right here. Yes, sir. This one that was making all that ruckus over here. This one that was making all that ruckus now. Making all that ruckus, brother. You sound good, bro.
These motors
they just run away from you, brother. You know what I'm saying? If you don't hit it, brother, you ain't. There you go. 728.
I heard you pull off.
You heard me pull off?
Everybody turn their necks again, man.
Bro, they don't understand, bro. Like, that sound's not supposed to come from that Lexus, bro.
Nah.
So that's why when I pull out, people be looking like this, like, because by the time you realize what it is, I'm gone,
man,
bro.
I wasn't recording, man. You was already down the street. And then you bust that U-turn.
I bust that U-turn and came back again. Bro, that sound not supposed to come from that Lexus, bro.
Nah, not at all, man.
I was like, man, I think that's 728 Auto's car, but you need to put some tags in your car, brother.
Boy, I got them at the crib. I keep forgetting to put them on, man.
Why, bro? I can't even tell that's you. The only reason I knew it was you because of black top, bro.
Y'all incognito, man.
Man, come on, bro. You gotta put some tags on there, brother.
I got them at the crib. They red, too.
Hey, man, I want the tags on there next meet, brother. And I ain't gonna say it no more. No more.
Yeah, I got them. I'm gonna put them on, man.
Heck yeah, man. Y'all see Hell Gotti's, man. This is one of the coldest, but like almost, you know, it's like one of the coldest raps too. Everybody rap go hard though, to be honest with you, bro. I haven't seen one whack rap. I told him that. Oh yeah, that color flip right there, bro. Let me go ahead and get my stuff in before the copyright start playing.
Oh, yeah.
He about to play the music, brother. I gotta get my footage in. Y'all see him, man. Hell Gotti, man. Follow him on Instagram, brother. Yes, sir. See this wide body thing right here. Got that Corsa right there, though, brother. Yes, sir. Mustang coming in right there.
What is those?
Yeah, I see it, man. That low life, yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. NV my cat, you know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram. I'm definitely getting my bag though. No cap. Definitely getting my bag. Y'all see Bloody Scat right here, man. I don't even know where he at, but he's somewhere over here. But you know what I'm saying? If y'all ain't following the man, follow him at Bloody Scat, you know what I'm saying? Chris NYC. Somebody burning rubber, brother. Yes, you got this older 392 thing, but that thing's still hard body, bro. Yes, sir. Got Hell Baby right here. That thing hard, that B5 blue hard. Y'all seen this one too, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
I gotta make
You see, you got Real to Real right here, man.
Man, come on, man.
What's going on, brother?
Boy, you be working.
I be everywhere, brother.
That's what I'm talking about.
Be everywhere, brother. Hold on, brother.
I love that grind.
I be everywhere, brother. You feel me?
Grind, man.
Everywhere, brother. Man, this Black Space Tuxedo 22, man. You know I keep it classy, man. I got a Lexus over there, man. I'm about to do some crazy stuff to it, so subscribe to the channel. You feel me?
Man, definitely.
Yes, sir.
He out here working and
Be everywhere, brother.
Getting it in.
I be everywhere, bro.
You getting it in.
And I live in Houston, bro. You know what I'm saying? But
You live in Houston?
my girl is.
Yeah, but Houston ain't no.
Yeah, but my girl live here though, brother. My girl live here, but I'm about to move up here, brother.
He finna move up.
I'm about to move, bro.
Girl ain't finna keep letting him
Nah, bro. That ain't about to happen, bro.
What's good, man? Chillin', man. Gotta put you on this thing, man.
Yes, sir.
Love and that support, man.
Rocking that free smoke, girl. You see?
Oh yeah, man. You know my boy
got that free smoke, man.
Shout out to my boy
Shout out to Free Smoke, man.
I told you I wear people merch.
Ah,
man. I
yeah.
ain't finna
Matter of
keep
fact, hey, brother, it's me right here, brother.
Okay,
go
well,
get it.
Hey, give me a shirt.
I got you, brother. Hey, I got you, brother. Yeah.
Hey, so I'm gonna be FieroBoy 88 on Instagram and up on FieroBoy 86.
Yes, sir. He go mango out there, brother. Only.
Nah,
We ain't doing nothing, brother.
They ain't gonna do nothing, man. We out here having fun, bro.
You know, we're gonna leave them anyway.
Yeah, you feel me? You feel me, bro? Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. That thing looking hard body, yes, sir. He look kind of mean, brother. Got the eyelids up on there. This thing hard. Got that Hemi thing. This Strata is actually some cold rims. I like them Stratas on there. I've always liked Stratas, bro. Them Stratas has always been cold, bro.
Hey, big dog. Go ahead and shout out that channel, man.
Hey, man, you know it's Black Tuxedo 22, man. Black Space Tuxedo 22. You know I keep it classy. You know what I'm saying?
Sir.
That's just gonna how it go, man. I got a Lexus over there, man. It's about to be off the chain, man.
Hey, y'all, that Lexus is a sleeper, man. Hey, do not sleep up on that Lexus, man.
It's a sleeper. I got the RT yesterday, so I don't want y'all to understand, bro. I done got the RT, brother, and he got, hey, brother, you need to cut that copyright out, brother.
Right, man. You trying to get up in trouble, man.
Yes,
I ain't trying to get up out this class.
I ain't trying to get up out there, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. This thing hard right here. Tweeties. Yes, sir. I definitely dig the black top, man. That black top hard body. That go all the way back. That black top hard body. Oh, this one just like this. This one just like this one. Yeah, his and hers. I was like, wait a minute, brother. It's just like this one, brother.
Why?
Yes, sir.
Like a Tweety.
Bag life, man. Look, I'm about to bag my Lexus, brother.
Hey.
Listen, I feel like that's the only way to ride. You feel me? Listen, bag life about to be it for me, man. So it's a his and hers. It's his and hers. Yes, sir. You got the 392 thing right here, man. I think it's like, I forgot what blue this called. Frostbite blue or something like that. Ice blue. That thing hard body though, you feel me? Then you got one of the ones, man. Wide body Mango Hellcats, man. He the only one. You know what I'm saying? The only one, brother. He better get all this molded in, brother. Y'all want to talk that mess, man. We got the Corleone 40 right here, you know what I'm saying? Look it up with this suspended cap, man. Y'all ain't messing with my boy Real Too Real, man. You know what I'm saying? Real Too Real _901. I think he got another page too, but I ain't sure what the other page is. I know I have it, but I don't have it in my mind, bro. That's him, man. Real Too Real, man. That wide body thing, something sick, brother. You got Real Too Real right here, bro. Look at it. Yes, sir. You got this thing right here, boy. Got the Corleone 40s on there too. The Corleone 40s. Yes, sir.
Well, I know.
Oh, clown.
I'm glad I got my footage out the way now.
Bro, that's why I was like, look, let me go ahead and get mine out of the way. Cause brother about to copyright all my daggone YouTube.
I thought it was just a ride. Like we in here and then we're gonna go right.
I'll be riding out the
Oh, okay.
and the top of me.
Okay, I had to think so, man.
Yeah, I was like, let me go ahead and get mine out the way. I was about
I'm gonna say Helltown. I'm in Arkansas.
Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? They pulling up, you feel me? Yes, sir. Got that wide body Hellcat right there, brother. Yes, sir. What's going on, brother? Doing all right?
Chillin', man.
Yes, sir.
Man, shout out PB on the track. You know what I'm saying? PB on the track. You need them beats for the YouTube.
YouTube, brother. PB on the track.
YouTube.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
There you go. YouTube and Instagram. I'm gonna hit you up, brother. 'Cause I need some tracks, bro.
There you go.
You feel me? I'm gonna hit you up, brother.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that boy looking good. Clean wild.
Y'all see that boy Bloody Scat right there, man? You know what I'm saying? What's going on, brother?
What up, man?
You know what I'm saying? Hey,
What I tell you about the second meet?
the two different videos, same day,
Yeah,
brother.
the first one was cool. But
This one?
right here,
Yeah.
no part,
No car. I ain't got no Mopar, but hey, it is what it is, brother.
Still in there, you know?
Still in there, brother. Yes, sir. See the wide body thing right here, man. I'm gonna try to talk so I don't have to put no music over it. The wide body thing right here, man. Little 392, brother. Yes, sir. Y'all see that thing, man? Looking nice, looking hella sexy. You feel me? Yes, sir.
It is.
We don't know what it is.
That's sewer water. That's sewer water, brother.
We ain't playing with you. We ain't finna play, man.
I smell it though. I smell it. It's strong. It's strong. It's strong.
Is it though?
It's
a little berries.
It's strong.
Do some berries.
Mix with a little bit of this.
Boy, that nothing but the ultra perm. Ain't nothing but the ultra perm.
Oh, we got another mango.
Gotta go mango. But
another mango.
hey, but it ain't wild body though, brother. It ain't wild body, brother. It ain't wild body, brother.
We support everybody.
Nah, we support everybody. We support everybody, brother.
Man, you can't do that. Oh, man, you just lost your problem.
Ah, come on, brother.
You just took you down about 5 steps.
I'm just playing, brother. I'm just playing, brother. I'm just playing, brother.
I be at everything.
It's hard.
I don't got time.
It's a job. It's a full-time job.
I be driving around the world.
Yeah.
I be at home like, you get out.
No. That's what happened to me today. We had this thing earlier today.
Oh, yeah.
I got up late
It was
this
one
morning.
earlier today. Yup.
At work.
I was in that good old bed with them sheets.
Man, listen.
I got home now and I was like,
Damn. That never happened on Friday night though. I never go to sleep on Friday. I'm right quick.
Hey, well, hey, got the real note. They goddamn the appointed lawyer. I'm the appointed lawyer. You know, it's okay. She gonna ease on in there.
She about to join SRT Life, bro.
Once you get a sticker, it's over.
That's all it takes.
When you get a t-shirt, it's over.
Get a baby sticker first.
Just put it on there right now. Just put it on there.
Yes, sir. She said she pushed like 9 something, ain't she? Yeah.
I see you, PB.
And she got them cutouts on that hole.
I know, bro.
PB.
That thing jacked up, brother. What them in? They 32s, brother. They 32s, brother. They 32s, brother. It's some big truck tire, brother.
Big truck tire, man. That boy hauling.
Got another one coming through. Go mango thing right here, man. The red thing right here, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You said what?
Do I need to pull out my camera for this?
Yeah,
occasion?
yeah. Pull out the camera. You said tomorrow, right?
tomorrow at 1 p.m.
1 p.m.
What's the channel though? You gotta tell them the channel.
The real Nova 797.
You act like I knew because we've been telling you to get a YouTube channel for a year.
At this point.
Okay. This is 6 years we trying to get you to do a YouTube channel.
It's been since 1999, boy. I'm trying to
I
tell you.
had a YouTube channel.
Nah, man.
Nope.
I thought you just took it down there. So you here now when you was in New York?
All that footage, all that publicity.
All that swerving and swinging and dipping and slipping
That shit
and
crazy. I thought she had a channel.
Okay, when I was working.
Damn, so you YouTube famous without the YouTube.
real little YouTube, brother.
You like Tuesday.
Yeah, famous.
Hey, he barely posts, bro. He don't even post like that.
That was like, in order for you to call out somebody for a YouTuber call out, don't you have to be a YouTuber?
Hell no.
I mean, we all know. Hey, we all know who said
You
that.
just be a person with a car.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
You gotta be no YouTube.
Just get out there.
That's the thing. Other YouTubers want to get clout off other YouTubers. They say they gonna race them or they want to beat them or something like
Say
that.
it again, brother.
I ain't saying shit over.
Say it again, brother. Say it again, brother.
No, brother.
Come on, brother, man.
We can get anybody to smoke. Nigga. Ain't just gotta be no YouTube.
I ain't ducking no smoke, brother.
Hell no. I ain't never in my life.
Win, lose, or draw, brother. I ain't ducking no smoke.
South Fire, bro. Hell no. My shit was broke like 3 months.
You so?
When shit? Hell yeah. Shit broke like 3, 4, 5.
It's a fishing rod, bro.
Looking there.
That boy got that fishing rod, brother.
Hey, man, I just woke up. I had to take a nap before I came out here.
Just took a nap. You got off work.
See my boy FieroBoy.
What it do, y'all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
So he got a camera with 16 lenses on it, then he got that shit.
Yeah.
Oh,
9.
look at the camera now.
Look at that.
GoPro
Look at
9.
that. Got the camera there, the camera up there.
No.
I ain't bullshit.
Hey, you see on that
He
dance?
getting 2 angles, brother.
He getting all the
Yeah, he getting all the angles, brother.
Boy, better stop playing.
I'm getting everything.
All the action.
Had to upgrade a little bit.
Seeing that Brent with the octopus eye.
I didn't know you had to work today. Hell yeah, I gotta work tomorrow. Hold on.
Hey,
I
work
just
tomorrow,
feel a
too?
drip, nigga.
Oh, I forgot you CEO.
Nigga, I
you?
just feel a drip on me.
Yeah.
It won't hurt you. Nigga, we
If it
just
start
raining.
raining.
Did we just say that?
You got the drip. I feel the drip on me.
It done got cool though, I know that. It done got a little bit cool.
You gotta look into just the background. You can't look into the people to see the raindrop.
You gotta look, bro.
Yeah, you gotta look around the people.
Yes. Is that my boy 5 to the 10, brother? Yes, sir. You say what?
Pretty big forehead, 5
You know,
to 10, aka pretty big forehead.
Pretty
is
big
in them.
forehead, brother. Yes,
I
sir.
got my kids with me, man. They don't even want to get out the car.
Ah, it's so much stuff out here, brother. They gotta get out the car, brother.
They don't. Hey,
Y'all see 5 to 10, man. This is the brother that seen my car get towed, brother.
Man, I didn't know, man.
He saw my car get towed. Didn't even call the brother. Saw my car get towed, man. Y'all see it, man. 5 to 10, man. Follow him. Actually, he got his window down, but it's 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10. Yes, sir.
Things ain't mellow, yo. But killers like bitches and my yo. My heart and niggas is firm in the slab in here, my granddaddy told me. Rhyme with these niggas who loyal. They get me away on my arms with some shots on the yeah. And play on the board, boy.
got copyright going on though. People doing all for money. I know. All the way over there.
Bro, Happy Days gonna be a silent 1960s movie, brother.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all know me. I'm the main one that's in Dallas that show all the love though.
Yes, sir.
No matter how big I get.
Hey, bro, you done show me love every time I see
Every
you,
time.
brother.
It's only right.
Yeah,
It's only right.
every time, brother. So when that channel coming again?
Tomorrow, 1
At 1 p.m. Yes, sir. 1 p.m. Hey, y'all make sure y'all flood her.
It's a double upload from out here. Just so we can make sense.
Yeah, hey, I got like 9 videos I ain't posted yet, so
Time before this shit come out there.
yeah. I don't know, I might post this one first. Go, look at it, hold on, let me see, brother.
Oh, you
You
got
know what I'm saying? Got the SRT line. Yes, sir.
Ooh, you get Chris in the day.
Ooh, ooh, wee.
Getting it on
Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man, the real Nova 797.
Oh, it's okay. Wherever you want it.
All right, bully mom.
Bully mom.
Bully mom, yeah.
Oh shit, I see why I'm out. Bully.
Yeah, you ain't bully.
You gonna wait
Sideways of
This the nicest bully I done seen in a minute. No.
No, not upside down.
Upside down.
That's what you doing.
You got
right
it
now.
vertical.
It's
You got it
upside
vertical.
down.
Now,
It gotta be like that.
under
hey,
bully
put it up
mom.
here.
Put it up there for time.
Nah, it's up on the booty mom.
Yeah, right up on the bully mom. See?
Bully mom.
Now you got it. Come on now.
I'm just gonna make sure it's even.
Hey, yeah, she got it. Hey, she like y'all. You remember when you had to take one off and put it back on?
Yeah, I want to make sure. It got to be
They
symmetrical.
know
It got to be perfect, damn
what they
it.
call that shit. When something wrong with you and you don't like shit off and crooked and stuff like that. What they call
OCD, brother.
OCD.
OCD, brother.
Oh, no.
OCD, brother.
that? You got OCD.
OCD Nova.
Hey, don't worry. I got OCD too, man. Don't even worry about it.
Don't listen to
Hey, don't let them make fun of you.
That's why I'm making sure he go to California with us, bro. Dude, keep us laughing.
You got it? You got it?
Hold on.
Are you good?
Hold on, it got a little slant.
Are you good? Yeah, it got a little.
Got a little
Got a
slant,
little.
so you
Got a little.
Yeah, right there, right there. You gonna put it on yourself or you gonna put it on?
I'm trying to get it in.
Oh.
Well, what you got your fingers on it
damn,
though?
I
You
just
gotta
took the
peel
tape
it
off my
off.
car. I could've hold it up with the tape.
Right.
I want to make sure it's
Okay.
Okay, he got it. Yeah, exactly. Snatch it out of hand.
Now, if he fuck it up, that's on him.
It's on you, boy. Hey, that's on you, bro.
No pressure. No pressure.
No pressure, but the peer pressure.
Yeah.
Like, hey, brother, don't mess this up.
Don't mess it up.
Don't mess this up, brother.
Put it in the eye. You
Look
can't
at
see it. Her hair over here.
I know. She got the hair on one side.
Right here. Hers. Yeah, it's her car.
Uh-oh.
Damn, women can drive good cars too.
Hold on.
Hey,
Let her get the
Hey,
final
no,
approval.
is that right? No, is that right?
No. Is it good?
Is that right? Is that right?
Let us know. Let us know.
Yeah.
That's
Are
good?
you sure? Are you
sure?
sure? Final
Yeah,
answer.
for sure.
Final
Who
answer.
wants to be a millionaire?
No, that's it. That's it.
That's it right there. It's laid. It's laid. Is it good?
He laid that motherfucker
Yeah.
like a goddamn. I ain't gonna say a two-piece wig.
Yeah. Got that lace front.
Yeah.
Got that good unit. Got that front. Got that unit. Got that close. Oh, damn.
Joe Quinn put him on crooked.
Oh, damn. That's what I'm saying. If it's crooked, it's on him.
We ain't worried about that right now, bro. We're worried about this right here, bro.
Oh. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How you feel?
It's official. With a whistle. It's official. You like it?
First lady, no.
First lady, no.
You put in your profile.
Yeah.
First lady, no. SRT life.
There you go.
Oh, you know we got SRT life in Houston too. So when you down there, they gonna mess with your truck.
I know.
Yes,
I'm the one. I reached out to him because I was just like, because I didn't know he was. I didn't know they were in Houston too. I thought they were just in Dallas. But
Yeah, it's like
yeah.
different chapters. They got Little Rock.
Yeah.
They wanted me to do a Memphis one, but I don't stay in Memphis no more. That'll be too hard.
Hey, I'm part-time.
Hey, but no, my homeboy that got the scat pack with the Ruchis on it, he wanna do it, but I told him he gotta get in touch with y'all. He already changed his name to SRT.
That's
like me. I said, bro, but no, you gotta have a separate page, bro. Yeah, that's one of my partners I went to school with. Yeah. Hold on, man. Do he got my SRT life and don't got it on his car? Bro, what is you doing, bro? You set tripping right now, bro? Hey, I don't make the rules. Oh, bro, it look like you set tripping right now. Hold on, do your girl get on the wheel too? Hold on now, y'all set tripping now. Y'all like y'all on here.
Hey, you got your chairs on there. Hey, you got your parking spot.
And everything.
Yeah, you
Hey, kick feet up.
Tolerate none of that, bro. Let's make it official. We're gonna make it official right now. In just a second.
We back in 3.
Right
Hey, soon. Hey, soon, but not real soon.
No, it's all good, man.
Brother, you 1 for 1, brother. You 1 for 1, brother. You 1 for 1.
Hey, my head's shaking up.
You 1 for 1.
Do what? Jermaine ain't got no sticker? No, the scat pack with the camo on. Oh, red scat pack with the camo on. Jermaine.
Oh, I know you're talking about.
Y'all ain't got no sticker.
I asked him about.
Man, he been trying to get in.
I ain't know.
He like, they ain't never gave him no sticker, man.
No, we gotta get it.
Yeah, I asked him man, like whip fest.
He need a red sticker.
I got the red.
Okay. We got something coming up in here. We got some secrets going on. Yeah.
No, that's the first time I heard it.
I'm finna rap that car again. Yeah, that's all motherfucker here, the motherfucker for real. Yeah. I rap my car. Yeah, my car. Get them straight,
Hey, bro, if it's cricket, that's
I'm gonna make
if it's cricket.
do shit, man. You gotta put your mind together. You already.
Yes, sir. It look good, brother. It look good, brother. Yes, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. So yeah, I got the same stuff on because I went to 2 different places, brother. You know what I'm saying? This was the second meet today. Some of the stuff is gonna be silence because there was a lot of copyright out here, but I got most of my stuff before the copyright even pretty much happened. You know what I'm saying? But man, I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. It was real fun, man. So y'all know how to do it, man. Always always motivational, always inspirational. You feel me? Just follow your dreams, man. Do what you want to do. That thing hard body right here. That thing hard. Yes, sir. But keep chasing them dreams, man. Keep chasing them and don't stop until you achieve those dreams, man. But y'all know how to do it, man. Dream it, believe it, build it. Dream it, that means you believe it. Believe it, that means you build it. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. But in the meantime, in between time, man, to this video, BT Gang.